Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you to use your smartphone as a game controller. All right, so this can be perfect for example, Samsung TVs, a Samsung TV, and of course, this is a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. But as you can see here, I am using it as a game controller. All right, and it does work. It connects to the TV perfectly, as I'm about to show you right now. You can actually use it to play your games. I have a simple game installed, but of course, I'm going to show you that it does work. All right, so let's get straight into the tutorial. All right, so the app that I have in question here is a app from Samsung. So you can actually get this app. It's very easy. All right, so let me just show you that it works. It even controls the TV. For example, here, let me just get a better angle. All right, so as you can see here, um, it does move. So you notice these sparkles. I can use it to control the TV. Notice it's moving. So the direction pad just does work. And I can actually use the sides here. There are shoulder buttons up here. And of course, you have a number of options here. So you can go to settings. And of course, there is various options that allows you to control your games, which can make it very convenient when playing certain games. All right. So we know it works because you can see it. You can actually move through the options on the TV. So it's actually giving you control over the TV. All right, so I can use it to control the TV, meaning I could easily control the games. So I'm going to show you how to get this and show you that it works. So let me just test this on a game. All right, so here's a game. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so check it out. I'll move through the options in the menu there. So notice I'm able to select options. Notice I'm at on about right here. Notice the highlighted section, and notice I can move. I could even select if I can figure out which of these is select. All right, so you realize everything is working fine. All right, so I'm able to move. All right, so I'm able to move. There's only one option there. So I'm going to select A. All right, so you realize it's working. All right, so you get the idea. So it works quite fine. It connects to the TV wirelessly. All right, so I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm going to stop it there. But it proves that it works. All right, so the app in question is called Virtual Game. In case you want to find it, there are two ways you can find it. All right, so you can actually go into Smart Things right here. And if you have a device connected like a TV set, and don't worry, you don't have to do all of this. I'm just showing you an alternative way, then I'm going to show you the main way to get it. You can select, for example, a TV remote. Cancel this. And I usually tap here. And it goes here. Then I come over here and it says Virtual Gamepad. Once you tap on Virtual Gamepad, it's going to take you to the Play Store. All right, so the app, you can search for it directly. This is the one. It's called Virtual Gamepad. So it's from Samsung Electronics Corporation Limited, and there it says it's installed. All right, so as you can see here, this is it. So it's a virtual controller that allows you to easily control your games. Very nice. And of course, I'm sure you find cool uses for this. You can actually use it control different devices that it can connect to. So once you can connect to it, it can control it. So it might work as well on other TVs, but it's mainly designed for Samsung TVs. So you can actually try it out on other TVs to see if it will work. Not sure if it will, but it does work for Samsung. All right, so that's another tip. So do hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.